Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the glitching and display problems on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix the glitching and display problem, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on software update. So when you will click on software update, it will check if your mobile software is updated to latest version or not. So if your mobile software is not updated to latest version, then update your mobile software, and after updating your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on general management, and now scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings and then enter your lock screen password. Now here again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on this reset here, it will reset all settings in your mobile, and after that your glitching and display problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.